In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for business. Trello is a versatile tool that can drastically improve how your team organizes, collaborates, and manages tasks. Let's dive into how you can set up and use Trello effectively in your business environment. To start off, head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, you'll want to create a new workspace. You can do this by clicking on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Create Workspace. This workspace is essentially the hub for all your boards and projects. You might want to name it after your company or specific team. Something like Acme Marketing or Sales Team usually works well. With your workspace ready, it's time to create boards. Boards are the projects or departments where all the action happens. For instance, you might have boards for marketing campaigns, sales pipeline, customer support, product development, or HR and hiring. Think of boards as major categories within your business that need their own dedicated space. Within each board, you'll set up lists that represent the different stages of your workflow. Common stages might include backlog, to do, in progress, review, and done. These lists help you track the status of various tasks and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Now let's talk about cards. In Trello, cards are used to denote action items or tasks. Each card can represent a single task, client, project, or lead. The beauty of cards is in their flexibility. You can enhance them by adding checklists, assigning team members, setting due dates, and categorizing with labels for priority or category. You can also attach documents or links directly to your cards, making them a one-stop shop for all relevant information. To further tailor Trello to your needs, consider using power-ups. These are essentially additional features or integrations that can be added to your boards, such as calendar view, dashboard view, Gmail or Outlook integration, Slack or MS Teams notifications, and connections with Google Drive or Jira. Privacy and permissions are also important when using Trello for business. You can control who sees what by making your boards private, visible only within your workspace, or public to anyone. Set up admins to manage and control permissions effectively, allowing them to oversee access and make necessary adjustments. Lastly, don't forget about managing your team's presence in Trello. You can invite or remove team members and guests as needed, ensuring the right people have access to the right information. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Trello for your business. It offers a structured yet flexible environment that can adapt to your unique workflow, allowing you to stay organized and productive.